February 23rd, 2026. Europol takes down 36 labs in Ukraine, Poland, and Moldova. 103 arrests. But here's what you need to understand. They were legitimate business fronts, Polish companies, Lithuanian companies. They legally imported 20,000 liters of precursor chemicals. Customs with paperwork, so no red flags. And then they converted it into alpha PVP, Fabryka. Do you know what Fabryka does? It's excited delirium. Heart rate spikes to 180. Your body temperature hits 105, 106, 107 degrees. Your organs start cooking from the inside. Brain damage, kidney failure, and then inevitably death. And they were flooding Europe with it. This is the scale of synthetic drug manufacturing right now. 36 labs, one operation, dismantled in 24 hours.